Good morning students, welcome back. So in the last class we discussed about catalysis, its types as well as mechanism. So in today's class let us discuss about enzyme catalysis. You know about enzyme while telling about the catalyst I told you. Enzymes act as a biochemical catalysts. So they enhance various types of biochemical reactions in our body. It may be like digestion, or absorption of the nutrients, or many cells which are having millions or thousands of enzymes which enhance the rate of the reaction. So let us see what is enzyme catalysis. Enzymes are the complex nitrogenous macromolecules, usually proteins. So all enzymes can be say as a protein, but all proteins are not enzymes. So enzyme in a structure ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು macromolecule ಆಗಿದೆ and it is nothing but a protein. So these are produced by plants and animals which act as biochemical catalysts in physiological reactions. Physiological means whatever reactions that occur in our body are called as physiological reactions. Okay, so body ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಏನೇನು chemical reactions ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು enhance ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ enzymes. So that's why these are called as biochemical catalysts and these are nothing but macromolecules. There are few examples. Here you can see inversion of cane sugar. So the enzyme what we used is nothing but invertase, which involves in the hydrolysis of cane sugar into glucose and fructose. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ invertase ಅನ್ನೋ enzyme ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಶುಗರು ಫುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಶುಗರ್ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಲೈಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. And that can be synthesized into two monosaccharides, that is glucose and fructose. Molecular formula is same but the structural formula will be different, right? So next example is conversion of glucose to ethyl alcohol. Okay, so here the enzyme used is zymase, which converts glucose into ethanol. Okay, so zymase ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, in the presence of the enzyme zymase, glucose undergoes fermentation to produce ethanol or ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide gas will be released. Similarly, starch can be converted into maltose that also undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of enzyme diastase. That is starch. Here you can see the structure of molecular formula of starch undergoes hydrolysis to produce the many number of sucrose, that is cane sugar. Then conversion of maltose to glucose in the presence of maltase. This is the structure of maltose, hydrolysis, and it produces molecule of glucose, two molecules of glucose, monosaccharide. Okay, then conversion of urea into ammonia and also carbon dioxide in the presence of enzyme called urease. These are few examples. Here you can see the structure. Urea undergoes hydrolysis to produce ammonia and carbon dioxide. Okay, these are the products in the presence of enzyme urease. These are few examples where you can see the catalyst. In the place of catalyst we have not used any inorganic catalyst but instead we have used biochemical catalyst. It may be invertase, zymase, diastase, maltase and urease. All these examples are very important. Any one or two will be asked in the examination, so you have to practice all these things. And apart from this, in our own body, if we consume proteins, the pepsin enzyme will be released and it will synthesize that protein macromolecule into amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Like glucose, how it is a building block of cane sugar, similarly amino acid in the protein create ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪೆಪ್ಸಿನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ enzyme ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So that is naturally released in our body. So enzymes can be artificially synthesized or else it can be extracted through biological agents like plants and animals. Okay, and it will be provided like medicines ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ಯೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ enzymes are called biocatalysts. And again I'm telling, all enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes. So this is all about the enzyme catalysis, how enzyme will act as a catalyst. This will also enhance the rate of the reaction. Okay, thank you students.